Hello, I'm Karen, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to crochet water. When I told my mum that I could crochet water, she's like, do you get wet? And I'm like, no, it's dry water. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to learn all about water, and we're actually going to crochet the word water, and we're going to share. So these are the things that you can actually make when you actually crochet water. You can make something else as well, but I just want to share with you how to make the components. So if you've been watching my videos and you've seen that I actually use words, I break them down into their components, and then I actually write a crochet pattern from them. So as we've said, today is water. And so for this one, so we've still got the C equals a chain, straight line down is a double crochet in the US, treble crochet in the UK. A V-stitch is a double crochet, chain one, double crochet in the US, or a treble crochet, chain one, treble crochet in the UK. And the sideways line is a slip stitch in the US or a single crochet in the UK. Okay, so this is our pattern for today. And today's pattern is actually going to create us curved triangles for the granny pattern. And the reason why I want to share with you how to actually make curved triangles is because I'm going to share with you how to make a flat one as well, but we need these for the special project that's coming later on. So for this one we need to begin with a chain of 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can't see the pattern. Hang on, let's move the pattern over so you can see the pattern. You see that? So chain 3, and then we're going to do a V-stitch. So we're going to do the V-stitch into the first chain. Okay, oh, that was squeaky. So we're doing the V-stitch there, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, or a treble crochet. Chain 1, treble crochet. So we've done the V-stitch, then we need to do 2 of the double crochet stitches or trebles. That's 1, 2 of those. Then it's a chain 1, then it's 2 more stitches. So that's 1 and 2. Then we've got a V-stitch, so that's the chain 1 and work the stitch. And then this time around, because you've worked into the third chain down there, or the first chain, this is actually the third chain up there, so you've only got 2. So we're going to just go underneath the 2 strands, that's 1 slip stitch, and then slip stitch into the next one as well. So you'll end up like we've done before. So you've got the 3 post version of the granny pattern, and so that is how to crochet water. Okay, so then we're going to continue, say, with the theme of the actual granny stitch. So slip stitch into your chain 1 space, chain 3, and work 2 of your stitches, do a chain 1, and then work a group of 3. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, one of my pieces is getting in the way. And then we need to just do the next corner piece. So that's 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and then work that 1, 2 and 3, and then into the final chain 1 space we're going to just do exactly the same. So that's 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and work 3 stitches. That's 1, 2 and 3. And then we're just going to slip stitch into the top of the third chain to join, and then we'll slip stitch into the next one as well, just so that it's got a nicer finish. I'm just going to cut off the yarn, pull the tail end up, put your hook in the back end of where the tail ends come out, put that through the loops, pick up that one, pull it through. Sometimes it twists, don't worry, and then you're just going to do like a chain 1 at the end and pull that tight, and pull the middle tight, and you've actually got yourself a curved triangle. So the reason why I want to share with you these, so what you need to do then is, so the You need 4 triangles all together. I'm going to just share with you how to join these triangles together. So what you do is you're just going to go into the corner of one of them and into the corner. So you can always keep keep them like back to back. Oops daisy, I've gone there. I'm going to slip stitch together in the corner, then do a chain of 3, slip stitch into the space in between your posts like that, and then 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into there, slip stitch into there, and then you're going to join on your next piece. So what you want to do is do a chain 1, then go into the same one that you've already worked, and then pick up your next one and go into the corner. Oops, got a tail end in the way. Go into the corner so that you can actually get the next one, and then do chain 3, and in that space there and in that space there, chain 3, and then into the corner there, chain 1, and then back into the front one, pick up the third piece, I mean the fourth piece, I can't even count, excuse me, slip stitch together, chain 3, oh my days, slip stitch through there, chain 3, then you're going to slip stitch to join that one to that one there, then you're going to chain 1, then you're going to go to this one here, go through that one and through the one that you've just made there, and then 1, 2, 3, into that one there, into that one there, 1, 2, 3, get your corner pieces together, and then you can do chain 1 into the front one there, into one of the side pieces, and slip stitch together, chain 3, and slip stitch to there, and chain 3, and then slip stitch the last 2 together there. Whoops. And yes, you do, you need to cut off your yarn now, pull that through. We'll do the you can tidy up the end, and then what you need to do is you just stuff all of your tail ends inside. That's what I've done with this one here. You stuff all the tail ends in, and then you actually just do the final thing. So you actually create yourself a tetrahedron. Now the water molecule itself is actually made from tetrahedrons. So this is a water molecule just like this, or this is like a stuffed version. This version, my mum said to crochet them together with the white, so it was like white representing the clouds because of the water. But this bit reminds me of the flux capacitor in the in the film Back to the Future. So that's how to actually crochet water. Now on my other videos, so my last video I showed you how to crochet the granny square. The video before that I showed you how to make the hexagon, and the hexagon itself, if you've got the crystal version of hydrogen, it creates the hexagon, and if you have a crystal version of water, of the oxygen, because you need H2O, so oxygen is a cube. So you need six squares to make a cube, and if you join the 2 hydrogen to 1 oxygen, you create an octahedron. So you can actually crochet water, whether it's H2O or an actual water molecule. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. Also though, because say that you need the curved triangles for the next pattern that's going to come along, but I have actually crocheted a flat version for those of you that actually want to have a flat triangle, and the actual pattern for that, are you ready for it? Is, because I told you in the last video, I'm going to add on an extra letter. It is the word crochet with an S on it. And so you do a magic circle, chain 2, 3 double crochet or treble crochet depending where you're from, chain 1 and do 4, chain 1, do 4. Okay, so I think we can just manage to get that one in quickly, so we can actually show you how to make that as well. So you can, if you want flat triangles for something, it's only fair that I teach you how to do that as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is begin with the magic circle, and this one, say only we've got chain 2. This is like the hexagon. It starts like that, I think. Okay, and then we're going to just do 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, do a chain 1 and do 4 more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 more chain, and then we're going to slip stitch into the second stitch to join the, out of that chain that we did there. And then what you do is you slip stitch into the tops, the tops of your double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to slip stitch to join there. Sorry, I've not pulled my tail in tight, so it looks messy. But there you can see that. So you've actually got the beginning of a flat triangle from the word crochet. So I've actually now taught you 3 patterns that you can crochet with the word crochet, and they are all granny patterns. So for this particular granny pattern, what you need to do to be able to continue is just to make sure that you've got 4 posts in each one as you're actually going around. Okay, so I've already done 2 rounds in the darker blue there, and then I've added on the green, so that you can see we're always using 4 posts, and it just make a flat triangle. It's not a curved one. It's lovely. So you can just carry on to do that if you wanted to make something out of flat triangles. But say for my next video, we're actually going to need the water version. So these are the curved triangles. Okay, so I think I've covered everything again in this video. So thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing, and I hope that you see the sense of humour, and also maybe kind of like the significance that you can actually crochet water and H2O, which is also all these geometric shapes, and they do actually all follow the granny pattern. Okay, so thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, and bye for now.